mpoda se won tumi didi a wo betumi edidi obo ho ni sisi ye ne ya pa waist pains so sisi ye we ya baby na no so be boa wo wa wo joint wo pon wa poso so ha wo no adonko be test ono ma betumi aboa wo obeto adonko be test original ade here is over friend 0561 200 333 0561 200 333 and a 050 44 050 44 Adonko fa no afanko Golden Point Savings and Loans. See young boy who never will be auntie. Some of the Golden Point Savings and Loans, no. A honey ye. Some will pay baby a savings, and I will pay baby a loan. A Golden Point Savings and Loans. Golden Point Savings and Loans on Kwa, and a Samoko. Now continue on up to the tune of 1,000 Ghana cedis. What to be told TV? Smart TV. One bet to be at your wax print. One bet your fridge, home theater. I tell you, baby. What's your sick or honor? But one thing, Nakache Nipa don't want mama sombra, only Nipa 5 ever grew up. Was you bet to be at your dear? Some promotion a year and year forever and ever. 3 months promotion. Take advantage. Nanya would demo the MFI Golden Point Savings and Loans. Who say you sick 300 Ghana cedis and so what between your 10 branches baby Wase Takwa Tema Tudu Asalam down Sunyane Edum Kumase and what you now Golden Point oh your business now is slow pace cardia shas here. Oh plan the bill pace cardia share plan nasi for 0501 630 0113 0501 630 113 Fresesia near Soto out. Golden Pride, your pride is our pride. Tish the Ish, the lady who likes fish on that dish. Aquaba. Nanasa no wati.
Oh yeah, wati.
Sir. Anyway, it's your phone here. It's the incarnate for Esonte. I was your 40 the way to me is what I was doing on Facebook. Actually, yeah, live on Facebook. Papa be a one of the was a lotto. And I would try. And yes, we on no could try to know.
A business.
And your business, I know you take go for banning chain. No natural. And your business, and the papa, or no swire. Into the idea, I said, and run it through family. A choice on the balance of crap. Bitra. So the name of or the kiosk no. Ebi jana. Or Bitra come when him. Na or you'll be a or sorry pa. Edum pepe so we don't person we an elder e was sorry. And a small debate di ba e bi no say adwuma na all ye nti no. To me ramo de ba na bet obutwa pa. Don't to be a don't feel. But say to me so kwa sorry fine. Or to collection so much. Utwa or to collection so much. Etiti papa is debate na ba de say enam say adwuma na all ye nti no. I say elder dem fata no ye mfa ama no we de lotunu wo twa nti no that me mfa ama no e na papa ni bi say ti kwa be say adwuma me ye ne se bi twa lota e ye bone ana na nye bone a adan na besi me okwan se be ye elder e wa sorry Tish
mommy Papa that's a nervous you
oh yes
no I don't know but seriously I think will be sound not with your opinion, sorry, but some no, I'm not mastering. Later, I'm mastering and say, make it you for now. Later, I'm mastering and say, why would you say Bible? I can say, Tialu to chat.
Intel, okay, cause
yeah, gambling. Bible, like I said,
gambling and one hello to.
Oh yeah, look for it's gambling.
And one, maybe you.
That's why it's gambling because
part of gambling, over gambling.
Because when you're sure,
I don't make a part and I say also gambling.
No, you can't gambling. No to come. I shall see it's a gambling.
No, no.
Oh,
it's a
gambling. It's in the Bible. What we mean so because you know, not just any power, no chapa. Now, I didn't have my dream. They say, opanyi wunim say ade a wutwe ewo mu say wo bo afore wa sorry dem a yagimum now so Bible na ka say tia loto channel anke ka me nko anka ehu nya sa ka okwa gina so pe no so pe da sa panyi edi ehu nya sa ka okwa gina so pa sa pe because wa wunim say ade a wudi koi ye be refer wa ka say a wa ka adwuma wo ye ne say wutwa loto in the first place no or your mistake so ko press on ko post wa sorry ana me gwa he made a big mistake wa wunim say loto twe Bible e ka say tia na sorry poster ba na also kwa previa kind of who said definitely sorry members no ever refer what we you say opinion na say we try loto in the first place we shouldn't have
man so what sorry more to collection na
na sorry dem na sorry dem akronfo ba obi akobi
but when of akronfo dey see but when oje into no ba mo gene cash
see say Bible na ka say me sure say the suffer kwa wa sorry dem kwa for pulpit na o ka say loto try nya de pa me sure say suffer ya kan so papa enjai into the so what ko na ko pass of penye di na ya bounce wa memo ndi hu ya because you should have seen it coming say enye yi obi aka so utwa loto into me ka no nko ade a
enyo no can you o twa mo bi o ka so no twa so no twa
whichever way it is no ejuma o yankofo be twa so no twa so na o twa mo ning na ning na loto ejuma no into pay me kai ka be
ko o afana o mpese ma na be di asafo
o ho de me no because o mpese o be ye bibie tia Bible no it has sorry for no mu di Bible mra ne so say obi o twa loto
tish wa no twa me pa che o ye di wa ye di am go be fu pa because 10 no ko be pese savio kasa
it's the pa che ne say sorry for
o sa pa che bibi
wo ma nyamfo so e na be pa che say me lande
savio me di amount
you come me that say they say pastor Kwabe kasa kakra but before me can pastor na say no me come me say answer Kwabe pastor no asema on man e dealing me enye me de because we are very sure say man no enye last year na 2 years ago and I start so sa so
yes so koda
very good until he bibia enya ade na won kan che because who himself man you try to say because me di asafu penia ana nkofo akoto no so aba say obey asafu penia nka obeka den say enye at least offer to tight na dey say man ye bibia because pastor no who duty no who church member ye bibia enya we correct no
nti wo dey train
no
mani nka
say boni a unim say e ka gambling ho na Bible cassette a offer to no dey bra no dey hunje offer to no dey bra wa hunje tight yes san o nipa no dey scan ba o dey check your book kitikiti bi a wa o dey shame na ya san enti pastor Kwame B uni di pen say Kwame B utwa loto san sika no kakran ana wa bobo no 10% no o dey abre na me no waje asaf penin dey so utwa loto enti ma unje asembe na ho kan asembe e na ho kan unim say o so correct na o so correct da enti na pastor ne kan no obi ba wa broche lottery visa lottery and odi kwa broche o mane mama ne papa say so
why be that
me very sure I try winning or winning here to about say Bible cassette here what try win
in fact
it I say
I don't see
gambling
I don't
say bet here we don't know boy see I'm for you to talk to the phone here football na dey any nya bet
but then interest
obi no wakasa me no wakasa me see dynamic kasa
I know yeah
but people are doing it
it's a safun wo mu mfom ye
obi o ha sabi me na me person me go company bi din bank of football hon mo na mo ye ejuma sa bet ibi a omo de esan say nye lotto nti onka
but e so esi wa
but I
kiosk mo nti no
tese ubuna go fi
kiosk na
ubuna go fi tese ni de 5 numbers lotto tese ni de nye Champions League final
by US there and also
tese ni de nye Champions League final
they all gambling
ni de nye Champions League final over $10,000
okay
no but people are doing it
still the fact say for you
me call I want to correct the person
okay only mo me call no so say who show on Facebook o be try go just comment or
I'm sorry that pastor kai
pastor kai but me call no so be that papa 03022602111 03022602112 Mami Sisubio 03022602111 and 03022602112